Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to share screen on Ome TV. So let's get into the video. So first thing, you can just open up Ome TV. So just go to Ome TV, log into your account, and now what you can do, you're going to go to first, you're going to go Google and then download OBS. Alright, you're going to download OBS Studio. So just Google OBS Studio, go to their website, and then just download the OBS Studio if you are using Windows or Mac, either depending on your machine. So just download that and get it done. So once that's done, so what we're going to do now is simply go to your device manager. So go to your device manager on your system, so open it up. So open up your device manager, and then here, once you get to your device manager, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to cameras, and then you have your webcam here. So just disable it for now. So just disable it. Okay, so once you have disabled it, so once you've completed that process, next what are you going to do? Okay, so you may need to restart your system for you, depending on your system. If so, you can just do that. So you can just leave that. I'll just leave that for now. Okay, so that's fine. So just disable it, and then what are you going to do, you're going to go to your OBS Studio here. So open up your OBS Studio, and then when you get to your OBS Studio here, so what you're going to do, under the sources here, so you click on this add option, and then select video capture device. Simply select it. Once you have selected, and you can just add this, click on OK, and then you'll get this option here. So now what you're going to do, you're going to select your HD webcam, everything, then hit on OK. So once you click on this, so that's fine. This is now fine. So now all you have to do is just simply go back to your Ome TV. So simply go back to your Ome TV, and what you might have to do is simply refresh your Ome TV screen here. So once you have already restarted your system, so I haven't restarted mine yet. So once you have restarted your system, this now you should be able to see your screen being shared here. So that's how you can share screen on Ome TV. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.